morning. We have slept for the first time. We have showered for the first time in our apartment. It's still not all in place, but it's good. Everything for the first time. We are up very early again, like all the other days, and we saw that Leroy was open from 7. So we're going, before we eat breakfast, go to Leroy and buy some things that we need. We need also something for the basement. We have a small basement, a small place where we can put storage. We need something to put everything there organized, so we're going to buy that and some things we need, and then we're going to try to eat breakfast somewhere. Okay, let's go. Okay, we found a lot of stuff, so we needed something to put in the shower for shampoo and everything. Put the towels, all the things that we found, and I'm hungry. I'm hungry. We didn't eat breakfast yet. So now we should buy a ladder. We saw a very steady one with 4 big steps. They didn't have it in stock, so we have to check that in another store. Would be handy if we had that, if we put it up on the canvases, but hey, it worked. Have we bought again too much for the small car? We cannot call him again. No, we cannot call him again.
Let's try.
What? Whoa, so much space.
Such a spacious car. Perfecti.
Fill it up. I need to film.
It's okay.
Strong boy.
It's okay.
Yeah? Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Measure the car. Yes. Did you forget?
Yes, I have seen that with my 2 daughters. We are in Villajoyosa now. There's a hotel, and last time we saw that you could eat breakfast for 12 euros. If we came with the daughters, there was nobody in the hotel, so there was no breakfast. So we'll check that out now. We wanted to check it out if it's okay for just 12 euros. What do you have? And otherwise you have coconuts that we ate here already a few times. Really lovely place. Then we can eat breakfast there. Of course, if we are staying here in the apartment, we will go to the supermarket or to the bakery, buy breakfast. But because we're just here for one day, we don't have to buy the milk and the honey. And if we're here for 3 weeks, then you can buy everything. But now for one day, so we're not going to do that. Let's check the hotel if it's possible. Again, everything seems to be closed. I don't know how they survive. In February, there was nobody here. Although it's just on the coast. It's not an ugly building. There are people? Maybe. Yes. Okay. There are people here. I don't know. Last year, there was a sign on the outside. Breakfast 12 euros. There's nothing now. Now there is you can eat breakfast for 30 euros. Was 30 euros? In the evening.
Breakfast in the evening.
No. Buffet. Sorry, buffet in the evening. Sorry. No problem. We go to Coconuts. It's just on the other side. I want to eat something. I want to have coffee. I'm hungry.
I'm a bit hungry.
Hungry, yeah. A little bit hungry. So, checking. So now we know the problem, that it was like closed in the hotel. They don't have electricity all along the coast. Cannot eat breakfast here in Coconut because they cannot make coffee. They cannot bake anything. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm
more hungry now.
So now we're going into the town because along the coast it will be all the same. Hopefully it's not completely in whole Villajoyosa that we don't have any electricity. Let's see if we can find something here. So we found something. All the croissants. Very cozy to sit here. Beautiful. Okay, we have chocolate and then croissants. We have orange juice, there's cappuccino, coffee, and you have the same thing. But it's a really lovely place to sit here. A hidden gem. Whoopa! Completely empty. Now, in 1 year, this will be completely full. No, no. Okay, let's put this together.
Very good. I need you. Go, go, go. At the age of 50, we're very fit and bendy.
Yes, perfect. And it's the perfect fit for this basement. Why? Waxing. We do tahu. Wow! Look at that! 2. This will be so organized. We are the best.
Yeah.
Okay. Step 2. Step. Towel stand or something. Let's go. So the second one, it matches the shower. It's perfect. What are you doing?
Throwing it on the ground.
So a new test. Will it work? This morning we saw a plant to put in the corner of the hallway. Just there's one thing missing there. So we're going to put a plant there, fake plant. But it has to be a nice one with a nice pot. But the plant is big. Will it fit our car? This is also beautiful, but I think too much plastic. This looks more real.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Take the plant. Your friend.
Let's see.
Be carefully. Yeah, it's okay.
Ta-da!
Oei, your head was not on the video. It's okay. It fits perfectly. Just give it a little push. Now the big plant. Ta-da!
Now we are at the shopping mall. We're going to the top of the shopping mall and there's a restaurant or something to eat, something small. And that will be the last place here, the shopping mall, for remaining things. And then I hope it's finished. There's nothing much to do because tomorrow morning we have our flight back home. So we have to leave the apartment. We have to. Okay, I have a bocadillo with ham and cheese. And you have with serrano ham.
Yes.
And this is a really lovely terrace with the skyline. There are a lot of restaurants here. You can choose all different kind of food, pita, Italian, Mexican, a lot of different things on the skyline. This is on top of the shopping mall La Marina in Finestrat. Here on top you can have a variation of food that you want with this lovely, with this lovely view. Ta-da! Here he is. If we looked from this direction, it was always like there's something missing there. So it's for the electricity to hide a little bit. You cannot hide it completely, but and a little bit of green in the house. So 98% of the apartment is ready. So we're very happy. So after this piece, what? Wait. We had an address of a restaurant that is really typical Spanish, and maybe it's there, I don't know. 98% is ready, so we're very, very, very happy. We're very, very, very tired.
And proud.
And proud, yeah. So after this piece of vlog, it will be like an advertising movie. We did everything of the apartment, so you have a look how it's came together, everything. It's like this 2% is like peanuts, one canvas maybe in a bedroom. That's just that. What else?
That's missing.
It's already later in the evening than expected.
Almost 9 o'clock again.
Almost 9 o'clock again. Normally we wanted to sit a little bit in the apartment, relax a little bit, but that's not going to work. Tomorrow morning we have to leave to Belgium again. We have our flight 9 o'clock, so it's 2 hours or 3 hours flying. So around 12 o'clock we land in Belgium, and at 2 o'clock we have clients that we have to do. So she has clients in the beauty salon, and I have clients in my hair salon. Of course, my team is working, but still they cannot cut my clients. So it's really hectic. That's our life. It's always on a rush. It's always like that. But this summer we are here again, and now we're going to eat tapas. And I'm going to show you the interior. So we will start with bread. This is tomato, and this is aioli.
Yes.
What is aioli?
Garlic.
Garlic? Some kind of garlic. Is it good? So croquetas and shrimp twisters and patatas bravas. We like patatas bravas, isn't it? Is it hot? It's hot sauce. Is it good sauce? It's picante. A little bit? And what is this?
Lemonade.
Lemonade? No, this is lemonade.
I deserve that.
You deserve that. Yes, you are. Why don't I have that? I will wait. Don't I deserve it? Yes, I do. Bon appetit.